Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu shares health update after pacemaker surgery, says doing great. On Sunday, the Israeli PM had undergone surgery to fit a pacemaker, hours before lawmakers are scheduled to debate over the controversial judicial reform bill which has been strongly protested by tens of thousands of protesters. Netanyahu, in the afternoon, thanked his supporters and well-wishers for their concern and also the doctors at Sheba Medical Center for their care. "As you can see, I am doing great," a seated Netanyahu said in a video released by his office. "We're continuing our efforts to complete the legislation, and the efforts to do it in agreement with the opposition," he said, wearing a suit jacket open at the neck. "Either way, I want you to know that tomorrow, Monday, morning I'm joining my friends at Parliament," he said, with a spokesman for the hospital telling AFP the premier was still at Sheba. Earlier in the day, following the surgery, Sheba said that Netanyahu's condition was good, and that he remained in the cardiology department for observation. Netanyahu's office made an announcement overnight that the 73-year-old would undergo a pacemaker implantation surgery days after he was hospitalized for dehydration. Netanyahu too released a video announcing his surgery, saying that he will be discharged in time by the hospital for a key vote on the judicial reforms. "A week ago I was fitted with a monitoring device. That device beeped this evening and said I must receive a pacemaker and that I must do this already tonight," said Netanyahu, in a video statement which was released late on Saturday, July 22, by his office. "I feel great, but I need to listen to my doctors," he added. In the video, 73-year-old Netanyahu was seen standing and smiling. He stated that the doctors have assured him that the hospital would discharge him tomorrow afternoon. "The doctors tell me that I will be free and I will be released from the hospital tomorrow afternoon and will be able to go to the Knesset to vote," the Prime Minister stated. Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu released a statement after his surgery saying that he was doing great. A week ago, Netanyahu was discharged from the hospital on July 16 after he was admitted for dehydration. In a video message recorded inside the hospital, Netanyahu addressed the Israeli public, explaining that his condition may have been caused by spending time in the sun without a hat and sufficient water. He expressed gratitude to the medical staff and the public for their concern and assured everyone that he was feeling well. "Yesterday I spent some time at the Kinneret with my wife, in the sun, without a hat and without water. Not a good idea," Netanyahu said. He urged Israelis to spend less time in the sun and drink more water in the wake of the country's hot weather.